Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. It is Friday morning. It's foggy Friday out here today. Let me show you what we're dealing with. I don't know if you can see that over there, but at any rate, it'll burn off in a little bit. It's not that big of a deal. So today on the agenda we have 2 house washes with driveway and sidewalks. So let's get busy. We get them knocked out. We'll see you at the job. Okay, so here we are at the job site. I'll take you a walk around and show you what we got. We got driveway and sidewalk. Sidewalk goes up to right about here. We got a house wash. We'll do the house going down through there. That fencing, you can see, I don't know if that's showing up on the camera, but somebody was out here with a wand at some point trying to get it. Just a lot of work. Anyway, so up top there we have some green algae growth. Have to get all that taken care of. Front entrance, sidewalk, driveway. It's pretty bad through here. And then of course it's really green. And we'll walk around the back here. There's some more green algae growth in here. Down along the side, this part of the fence isn't too bad. It's in the very back that's bad. Okay, so this is the bad part side of the fence here. So you get all that looking good. And then we're gonna take care of this little shed for, and that's the same way. Sometimes you just have to do a couple extra things for people. Makes them real happy. And the fence down along this side and in the back portion of the house. So anyway, that's our job for today. So let's get busy.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replica.
Okay, so we're all finished here. Let's go ahead and walk around. I'll show you how it came out. Driveway or a sidewalk here, street gutters, sidewalks, driveway, house came out really nice. All those gutters cleaned up. You go down along the side here. Okay, the fence is all clean. I was so tempted to get some of these oranges. We got so many fruit trees back here. Anyway, there's another small one. And there's the fence line. That one came out really nice. Look at these things. I think they're called jackfruits. But they're They're huge. Anyway, so we got the fence and cleaned up the shed here. Fence down along that side. That side of the house came out really nice. And all right, so that's it for this job. We will see you on the next.